सुरुवातीपासून.
Today we will start our 11th chapter, that is the statistics. What is mean by statistics, and we will see some examples from it. Before it, we will revise what is mean by average, that is studied in the last standard. Now we can see the example given in the textbook. The number of pages of books Nina read for 5 consecutive days were 60, 50, 54, 46 and 50. These are the number of pages read on the 5 consecutive days. Now we have to find the average of number of pages he read every day. We can find the average by this formula. Average is equal to sum of all scores. Each number is known as the score. Here we have to add all the score. Formula will be average is equal to sum of all scores divided by total number of scores. Here numbers of scores are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now put the values in the formula. Is equal to sum of the scores divided by 5. Sum will be 260 divided by 5. After division, we can calculate the average will be 52. The average is also known as the mean or arithmetic mean. This is the formula we used for calculating the average, but it is used when the scores are very less. But when scores are in large amount, at that time we cannot use this formula. For this, we see our next formula. Before it, we see what is mean by the statistics. Collecting information regarding certain problem or situation, analyzing this information, and after interpretation, drawing conclusion about it is a separate branch of knowledge, and this branch is known as the statistics. Now we have to see what arithmetic mean, that is the average or mean. For how we can calculate the arithmetic mean, for this we use a table as shown on the blackboard. The average is also called as the arithmetic or simply mean in statistical language. We see the examples from practice set 11.1. There are 4 examples, but 4th example is deleted from the syllabus. So we have seen only 3 examples from it. See the example number 3 on page number 17. You can see the example in your textbook. The number of members in the 40 families in Bihar are as follows. There are the 40 family members are given there, and using this information we have to prepare the frequency table and find the mean of members of 40 families. For frequency table, this is the frequency table. There are the 4 columns. How frequency table is prepared, I will show here. In first column we have to take number of members. This is the first column. In second column we have to calculate we have to draw the tally marks. Tally marks means how many times this number has appeared in this given data. It is shown by the tally marks in second column. In third column, number of families. This number of members are present in how many families, it is shown in the third column. And last column is xi into fi. The multiplication of these 2 columns are written in the last column. And in last, we have to add the total, this fi column and this column in the last row. Here, while writing the xi column, we have to start from the lowest score up to the highest score. In the given data, 1 is the lowest score, so my first row is the 1. Again 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 is the largest score. Here we have stopped the writing. Then we have to draw the tally marks. One number is occurred 2 times, so I have drawn here the 2 standing line here, and number of families will be 2. How many tally marks are there? This number is written in this third column, and then in last column 2 into 1, that is the 2. 2 number occurred 8 times. We have to write tally marks like this. 4 standing lines and 1 is slanting line. This is a group of 5. And then again write the 3 standing line. Total numbers are 8. 8 into 2, that is a 16. 3 number occurs 7 times. Write the tally marks and then this multiplication product. Thus we have completed whole the table. Now we have to add this column, that is the n. N is equal to 40. They have given us information about the 40 families. So n will be equal to 40, and then add the last column. It is shown by the sigma fi sign. Sum of this column, it will be 156. Then find the mean by this new formula. Mean is equal to sigma fi sign divided by n. That is the 156 divided by 40. After division, we will find the average or mean. It will be 3.9. Thus we have to solve the examples like this. Then I have taken the second example. Before it, see first example from page number 69. They have given us a frequency table. We have to only complete the incomplete boxes given in the table. We have to draw the value of L, that is the addition of the Fi column, and in last we have to add the write the multiplication product and then addition, and we have to find the average of these numbers. You have to complete the first example. It's very easy. Then see the second example. I have drawn here the frequency table. They have given us electricity in units used by 25 families of Eklara village in month of May. In first column, we have write the electricity used. It is Xi. In second column, number of families, that is the Fi. They directly given us the column, so table. So we don't write the tally column here. When we have to prepare our frequency table ourselves, then we have to add this table in the this column in the table. This column is they directly given to us, so there are only 3 columns. Now we have to complete the table. Here the value of n is not given. At this column, value of n will be 25, and then in last column we have to put the values of the multiplication product. 30 into 7, that is 210. Like this, you have to complete this whole column, and at last we have to find the sum of this column. Sum will be 1425. Now we have to find the mean of this data. Mean is equal to sigma Fi divided by n is equal to 1425 divided by 25. After division, we will find mean will be 5.7. Then they have asked us some questions here. How many families used 45 units electricity? 45 units electricity is here. How many families are there? 2 families. State the score. The frequency of which is 5. Frequency of 5 is here, and the score will be 75. Find n. N will be 25. Find sigma Xi. It will be 1425. And last question is the find the mean of the electricity used by these families. It will be 5.7. Here we have studied how mean is calculated by a formula when the number of scores are in large data. So here we have completed practice set 11.1. We have to solve 3 examples from it. 4th example is deleted from the syllabus. So you have to revise the given information and you have to solve the practice set 11.1 in your notebook. Here we will stop today. Thank you.